So unfortunately, I'll have to close all my trades. So this are my 4-day hold trades. I have to close them today because I don't really like what price is doing right now. Now currently we might push back to retest this, or we may not. We might just hit this grounds right here and start pushing all the way up, because when you look at the bigger time frame, we still have a zone right here, right? Price can do that or price might not, but still I have to get out of the trade. I wasn't really going to trade the 714 minute, so I not even tried looking at it. And the whole of today, I was only in one single trade, which got me out of what break even, and that was that. No trade again. I think swing trades was very good last week. They were very good and magnificent, right? So let me go ahead and close every single trade on gold, because I think we have not really reached these highs right here. I wanted it to reach these highs. That was where my maximum level was. But yes, so far so good. We haven't reached those highs. I have to close every single trade on gold because of this rejection. I don't really like what price is doing. And I'm already in, I think, a lot of profits, right? So it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and close every single trade. All right, so yes, I'm done with every single trade on gold. To be honest, yes, it was a good trade. We had this bullish flag. I think price might come back to either retest it or just continue shooting all the way up.